and today I'm going to talk about Wish.com and Iring.com for their reward program for Wish.com and Iring's affiliate program. First thing I'll talk about is Wish.com. Wish.com is a online e-commerce website and they offer 30-day returns if you purchase a product from them, and their price of their products are very cheap. You can go as low as under $1, and shipping start minimum at $1 and increases depend on the weight of the product. Okay, first thing you want to do is create an account. Before you didn't have to create an account, and you can just look through the products, check out, and you're done. But now they change it to require open account. Open account, you can hit sign up. You can sign up with Facebook or Google that you already have. Since I don't have an account, I'll just create through their Wish app on the website. Alright. Then the sign up key. Then you use it to verify. Your new user, they give you a 3 day of deals, and apply the 10% coupon. And then they give you a total of, when you get up to about 7 stamps, you can earn up to 50% off your products. Each day you visit the Wish app, and you must complete by June 30 to win. Hit the continue button. Okay. They have a program, refer friends and earn up to $100 Wish cash. For every referral you receive is $2 Wish cash, which would be used on this website to purchase products and services. And you'll receive the $2 after your referral orders a first order online, and you just copy code and post it on Facebook, Twitter, any other social media. And they break down the products based on, these are popular, the hot items they're selling. Expressed are usually products that are pretty much closely about to run out, and they have limited shortages on them. Local, you just type in your zip code or use your current location, which is the GPS location, and this show you like different sellers in your area that you can buy products and services, but it's really like limited based on each area. Blitz buy is, you can get extra discount price. You hit the spin button. A mystery, 10%, 20%, 50%, 75%, 100%. 100% very low yet. Okay, let's spin it. Okay, got 20%. Oh no, it's unlock products. Use it to unlock products, and they give you about 10 minutes to play now. You can choose any time. Discover section. That ship within 5 to 7 days. You can type in what you want to look for or browse through the pages. It's better to what you look for. And you can compare prices with uh, Amazon, Camel as well. And they also have like brands like Apple, Best Way, Closet Chic, Samsung. You can shop all top brands, and you can break down the category. Like a pack of this, lighters, 50 lighters for $48. Shipping is only $2. And they have customer reviews on every single product, so a lot of people have ordered it. They mostly give a lot of 4 to 5 star ratings. How Wish.com started, the background of the company. They started like buying when manufacturers that like almost about bankrupt, but buy the whole lot of their products they have. It could be like anything random. Buy bulk of it for a set price. Let's say this inventory is worth like $50,000. You buy the book price, then negotiate, buy small amount, let's say $1,000 for all this. And they just negotiate until they reach the price they wanna, the manufacturer wants to sell it at. Because since they're closing their doors and later will be another manufacturer comes in. Okay, or you go to your account, they also have, you have every day a login bonus. You earn Wish Cash. See how the Wish Cash is up. Setup is based on transaction, items bought, the date, the amount, and they keep it track right here. And they apply it to your account when on checkout. And rewards, they have like you can, okay, 100 points, lifetime points since May 2020. Turn points into reward discount. Entire purchase. When you hit like 200 points, you can reduce 5% off on their website. Anything you buy. 600 points, get 10% off. 1,000 points, get 15% off. And they'll tell you your reward wallet, what's available and what you have used or expired. If you if you don't understand their point system, there's some questions and answers. And the points don't expire. And how to use the coupons, just copy the code associated with it and apply it at checkout. Coupons are non-stack and the highest value coupon are applied first. See, they have, you can go back to their homepage. If you have a problem with your account, this is customer service. They they just do it on online web chat, and it's your assistant. You can ask, "What do you need help on?" You can say, "Issue." It's like a virtual assistant, and they give you categories. So I do have another question, yes or no. And they keep track of orders. It'll be right here. They'll send to your email, and they'll have tracking information when you log in for security protection. And then they say, welcome to the program. You have 100 points, which is free. 100 points, but you can't use it until you hit that 200 points. Then you get 5% and so forth, as I explained. Next thing about the website, you can change the settings for the website. Like you can do through orders you want to see on email or by app, deals and promotion, email or app, set your settings. Same thing for account setting. You can change your name, put an old password to a new password. You can add phone number if you want to, but you don't not required. But for maybe secure purposes, your address, you can add a new address, or then they have your user ID. Always try to remember it, write on a piece of paper when you create an account. And they have their terms of use and privacy policy, which is pretty much common. I'll provide a link of the website at the end of the video. Next, I'll talk about Iring.com. Their main products they mostly sell are accessories for cell phones, like a Iring hook, and they come in a variety of colors. If you buy Iring hook, you already bought the phone from a different company, and you just buy the hook from them, they only charge you $17.95. We can go inside. I'll show an example. Here you bought a phone from TrackPhone. So far, they only do business with TrackPhone so far. It can be like any TrackPhone phone. It can be like Samsung, LG, Huawei, Huawei, Arcade, and so forth, which they sell at QVC and HSN. If you just add to cart, they'll charge you $17.95 and it'll calculate the shipping and you have to pay sales tax. Hit the track phone. If you buy it from track phone, you get a promotion. Since you bought the phone from track phone, it comes like a bundle deal. You get the ring for free. They just come on a separate sheet of paper. It comes with a code and you enter the code at the end. And these are the colors they have. Champagne gold. The best one I like is the vanilla mint. They have orange, rainbow, so forth. You just hit add to cart. Then we want to check out, hit view to cart, proceed to check out. It'll calculate, okay. The shipping is not calculated until the second step. After you apply the coupon code, the sale tax based on your location. They also sell other cell phone accessories like a base holder. Let's see what else they sell. iPhone accessories. They also offer an affiliate program, and let's contact them is by email mostly. They're based in New Jersey in the United States. They only had 2 reviews, so I mean, their business is about 2020. That's maybe when they update. You can email newsletter for coupons and discounts, sales promotion. They sell masks, reusable masks, 5-layer protection with replaceable filter and breathable valve, which is like right here. And it can protect against common cold, diseases, and so forth. It's made of 100% cotton and it's soft. Go shop. Gift cards are mostly other accessories they have. They sell a base holder for the hold for your cell phone, hooks, and a docking station, which only comes in black or white. If you buy Iring hook, it's only like $2.50, which is that little. It can hold on to the office and you can detach it. Only $2.50. So I want to talk about their affiliate program. You can join the program. It's 10%. You earn up to 10% commission for referral for people who join. And earn commission from all qualifying purchases on successful referrals. So they pay you for referrals and qualifying purchases. You can advertise. They'll give you like a link. You can advertise on social media like Facebook, Twitter, VK, Tumblr, TikTok, and so forth. email on YouTube. Just make a video about the products and services. Okay. If you don't understand their commissions, you can hit the commission button to explain how it's paid. You have to create a separate account. Okay, let's see what they have inside. Create a password. You can also use Google or Facebook as well. Create the account. Okay. And you also have a coupon code. You can share it with share it on Facebook, Twitter, social media. 10% off for the first purchase. This type coupon code, which I think they use your first name and last name. For your friends, using the link below and commission on purchases they made. They show the referrals, orders, conversion, which is a percentage. And if you don't know how to sell stuff, they have a marketing tool. Paste product page link. Then they generate the link, you copy it, and you post it on your blog, social media, and so forth. Payments, you can set it up. They only pay by PayPal. Settings are your phone, name, your websites, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, and your referral code they generate for you. Sample, just write http://iring.com/this, and that'll be your referral code, and you can always change your passwords. And they're based in New Jersey in the United States. That's it for this video. If you like it, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and the notification for my upcoming videos. Hope to see you guys next time. Goodbye.